Good. So, all right, guys. We got Miles Perez here, the most amazing dancer in all of northeastern United States, okay? Coming from good stock. She just finished doing her dance competition over at...
Ooh.
It was just the other day. You just did it. Did you see the day?
Last weekend.
It was last weekend. I just saw it.
I can't remember.
Whatever. She's great. She's fantastic. And she's absolutely the greatest dancer. She's the greatest hurdler. And one of these days, she's going to be the class valedictorian of her school. Just FYI. Just want to let you know that. All right. FYI. All right. So I'm going to do a little muscle work on your shoulders here. All right. Hold on. And hold on. Boom. Okay. So let me have your right arm for a second. I'm going to cross it over here. And relax your shoulder. Let it drop. I'm just going to loosen up these muscles. Ooh. Yeah. There we go. Loosen up those muscles. A little bit stronger. If it's too strong, you tell me.
That's good.
All right? I'm going to loosen up this whole body. And then I'm going to go right in the shoulder. Right inside here. Too strong or no?
That's good.
Cool. And Miles used to talk like crazy, but now she's not. She's just like not talking too much. I don't know why. I don't know why. All right, drop your arm.
Quiet after a while.
She got quiet after a while. Okay. All right. Well, that's all right. That's what happens when you're a great athlete and a great dancer. Here we go. Nothing to prove. All right. Come over here. Let me take your other arm. I'm going to stretch it out over here. Come across. And relax your shoulder. Let it drop. And go right inside there first. Ooh. That's a little tight in there. Okay, then we're going to go right in the shoulder area.
My left side's just messed up.
It is a little tight in there. What, did you fall on it?
No, I don't know what I did.
No?
Oh, actually, yes.
You did fall on it.
But it's like for dance purposes I have to.
Okay.
But usually it doesn't hurt. I think the only time I've ever hurt myself was because I fell too hard on my hip.
Because you what?
I fell too hard on my hip. But
That's-
otherwise it didn't hurt.
Well, you got to be careful. Fall on your hip, you crush your hip. But in a lot of dance moves, you have to like jump up and then land down on your hip,
Yeah.
right? In a crazy position.
It's like I have to land on the side of my, like where my calf is.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
that might explain.
Gee, that's why you're all injured down there. By the way, dancers always have the most injuries.
True statement.
People don't realize that, but they have more injuries than football players. Yes?
True statement.
Yes, absolutely. And also, FYI, most dancers are overachievers. Just to let you know that.
True statement.
True statement. Yep. Good. All right. I'm going to do a little bit of tapping on you also. Here we go. So let's do this. All right. Turn your head to the right all the way. Hold right there. You're going to feel a little tap, 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 tap. Good. Look straight ahead. Straight ahead. I'm just going to tap your shoulders. Nice. There we go. Good. Bring your left arm out like that for a second. Just going to stretch out your shoulder a little bit. Just like that. Just going to hold it there. Just going to tap your shoulders. Just to loosen up your shoulder blade. Like that. Good. Bring it right back. Right. Turn your head to the left now. This way. Right. Hold right there, Miles. Nice and easy. Good. Okay, look straight ahead now and just relax. Good. Bring your right arm out a little bit, please. Come right back over here. Just like that, relax. Stretch out the shoulder. Good. Good, bring your arms back. Good. Just gonna take your arm like this and just let it drop nice and easy. Just gonna go in like this. Little circle. Good. See the other side? Same thing. Just let it drop. Just gonna go a little circle and I'm gonna go in. Good. Relax like that. Take your right arm, go like that for a second, and I'm gonna ask you to pull your elbow back in just a second. Pull back a little harder. Now relax. Let's try the other side. Same way. Pull back. Harder. And relax. Good. Good. Nice. Got a little bit of movement inside there. Okay, let's take this. Just let it drop. Easy. Good. There we go.
How'd you do that?
There you go. Here and here. Let's try the other side. Relax the shoulders, easy. Good. And here, and then here. Good. Thumb. Awesome. Let's do a little twist on your body. Cross your arm here, and the other one goes underneath. Right? Gonna give yourself a little bear hug. Twist left a little bit. You see where we're tight. Good. I want you to breathe in really deep. Breathe out, twist left. Good. Good. Right, we're going to go to the other side. Switch your arms around. This goes on the bottom, this goes up top. Turn right a little bit. Right there. Breathe in really deep. Breathe all the way out. Good. Perfect. Perfect. Relax your hands. Good. Come and lay face down on the table. Cool. Just like that. Okay, just going to do some massage. If it tickles too much, let me know. Too strong or okay? Good. Where Mom went out to go get us lunch. Is that amazing? Awesome. Wish all my patients would go out and bring me back lunch. Little tapping. So I just want you to raise this leg, this knee a little bit, the knee, a little higher, and right back down, and do a little tap in these joints inside here just to loosen them up a bit. Raise it up again, please. Much better. Come right back down and relax. I'm just going to tap underneath the pelvis area. Good. Raise the leg again and stretch. Perfect. Come right back down. Good. Right there. Relax it. Good. Good. Raise again. Stretching. Perfect. Come right back down. Excellent. And again. And then here. And then here. One more time. Miles, lay on your side, face my window, okay? How you doing, all right? Good, good. Slide down a bit. Awesome. I'm going to bend this leg. Move you a little closer. Cool. And let your legs just drop a little bit. Just stretch out the lower back a little bit. A little more. Hold on. Okay, let's try the other side. Turn you more. I forgot you're super flexible. Move up a little bit more. Good. And turn you a bit. Let this leg bend. Let it drop a little bit. Good. Same thing. Try to make sure you don't fall off the table. Right? And relax inside here. A little more. Right there. Okay. Separate. Good. Bring this down. And I'm going to just stretch out the hip joint. Any pain?
No.
Good.
I popped it at practice.
Did you?
Yeah.
Today?
Yeah.
Good. 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 Ankle.
Whoa!
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's what we do. You know, that's what we do. Yeah? Good. Let it relax. Let it go. Come on. Good. You know that's the good leg.
This is my good leg.
I know it's your good leg. Right. Slide up a little bit more. Every dancer has a good leg and a bad leg. Like that's a bad leg.
I think only her and Thierry are the only ones who can stretch that far on this table.
Now relax. Hold the joint. Good. Just relax. Good. Mm-hmm. Good. Slide back up. How'd that feel?
Good.
Good stuff, right? See what happens when you go to a chiropractor with clean socks?
I know. I was like, because my spikes were gross. I was like, I'm not using those socks.
Your spikes are gross?
They're so gross. And other girls have used my spikes because they've needed to. So they're gross.
Yeah.
They have sand in them.
They're usually dirty and nasty, I know. All right. Relax for a second. Good. And let's see how we're doing here. Okay, just close your eyes and focus on your breathing for a second. Just relax, come on. Nice and easy. No, just relax for a second. I'm going to do a gentle stretch inside here. Don't worry about your hair. Good. I'm just going to stretch. A little bit more. And a little more. Good.
I knew that was
Good,
coming.
did you? How'd that feel?
Good.
Okay. Okay, we're going to go right inside there. Yipes. That's a little tight. Okay, and just relax. Close your eyes. Just focus on your breathing. Nice and easy. And relax. Good. Put a little stretch inside here. Don't help me. A little more. Good. Relax. Go back here. All right. Breathing really deep for me. All the way out. Good. Good. Just trying to make you grow an inch. All right, let's come and sit up for a second. Legs on that side. Just going to recheck inside here. Good. Awesome. Perfect. Stand up for a second. How's that feel? Yeah? Cool. So you think all dancers should go to a chiropractor?
Yes.
Tell them. Go to a chiropractor.
Go to a chiropractor. It's not worth being injured.
No, it's not worth being injured, that's for sure. Absolutely. What's the name of your dance school? Do you still go to the same one?
Yeah. Same studio.
Same studio?
MNT in Saddlebrook, New Jersey.
Oh, yeah? Oh, the same one. You guys have been going there for years. All right.
Next year will be 14 years.
Wow. That's a long time. Okay. Subscribe and you'll get new videos sent to your email box every single week. If you like these videos, please support my channel. I really appreciate those people that support me through things like PayPal and Patreon and also sponsoring individual videos. You know what? I really couldn't make these videos without you guys, so I thank you so much. So I'll talk to you soon. I'll check you out next week.